What if you could hire an AI customer service bot that works 24 hours a day and costs absolutely $0? Today, I am showing you exactly how to build an AI agent for your business from scratch, with zero coding called TaxPal using Chatbase.co. Whether you are a business owner looking to automate your customer support, or you are searching for a complete AI automation agency tutorial so you can package and sell these digital assets to high-paying clients, this is the ultimate guide. We are essentially building a powerful, custom ChatGPT for your website from scratch. First, we head over to the main dashboard, hit the Create New Chatbot button, and quickly answer the initial setup questions to build our foundation text. To make the AI smart, we start by feeding it data using the link option. I simply pasted the website URL, and the system automatically scraped the site so the bot understands the core services. But to make it bulletproof, I went into the Q&A section. This is where you manually add specific questions and answers for the exact things customers ask the most. This guarantees the bot will never give the wrong information on those critical topics. Next, we move to the system prompt to tell the bot exactly what we want it to do. I instructed it to act as our lead customer success manager. But here is the ultimate cheat code for lead generation. I added a strict rule telling the AI to always ask the user for their name and email address before answering their first question text. Now, we test it. When I ask a question, the bot acts as a perfect gatekeeper, capturing the lead's email before delivering the exact answer we programmed in the Q&A. To deploy this, just hit Publish and drop the embed code on your site. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe to Workflow Capital for more high-level AI tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.